As Soludo don come outside o, come talk how he go take band okada, do everything so that he go deal with anybody wey call himself security for inside the Anambra state o. They say Biafra Liberation Army don come outside o, come reply am. They say that they give Soludo go ahead to do wetin he wan do, and they see how Anambra will be, make him go ask Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma how far. My people, no be small thing o, this one e go red o. However, we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabal Gist. If today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. If you know say you never follow this channel, make you quickly do so. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. My wonderful people, no be small thing no. They say Biafra Liberation Army don come outside, come reply Governor Soludo. They don tell am say make him go ahead though and see how Anambra go take be. He say Imo State sef go better pass Anambra if Soludo do that thing wey dey in mind wey he wan do. My people, no be small thing. I go play you the video, may you watch, and then we go come back and continue. Watch this video from beginning to end.
Soludo. How many times did I call you? 3 times. You know, the problem with all of you, all these illegitimate governors, is that you don't ask question. You don't ask question when you do your waiting agreement with your Fulani master. You know they ask question. Do you ask Hope Uzodinma question? So you cannot do pass Hope. You just they learn work. Soludo, you they learn work. And let me tell you this. I pray to God Almighty, Chukwu Kika Abiyama, He should give you mind to start that thing where you want start. May God help you. That is my prayer. Soludo, I dey knock or fall for ground for you. Say, may God give you strength to start. Okay? Most of you think say now by bullet and gun and bullet. You think it's by gun and bullet, Abby? Let me tell you. Anyway, you know we don't talk too much. Soludo, go and ask Hope question. Invite Hope or visit Hope. Sit down with Hope and ask Hope question. How far? My guy, how far? Soludo, go and ask question. We don't. May God help you. May you start up. To be Nigeria, not be by force. We dey pray, may God help you. You go run. The same way where Hope run away from Imo State, they rule in Abuja, now the same way where you go run. Start time. We know they threaten you. As your security people, waiting then saw. Waiting then see. If your mind they tell you say with the fear guns and bullets, I'm here to tell you that that man no get anything to fear. That man has nothing to fear. So start. We will help you to finish up. Anambra be all Anambra. All Anambra. The ground of our ancestors. The ground of our ancestors. We will tumble them for you. Within 3 months, we will tumble them for you. We dey close to you than you are ever seen. Now we get forest. Now we own forest. Now we own land. Now we own hub and down, water everywhere. Since morning, you people have been flying. You don't send drone. You have been flying all over, fly all over. You see nothing. And when you see come, they will die. Soludo, start time. I encourage you, deploy more. But do you ask question? That is the problem with you people. You will not know they ask question. Before you embark on a journey that you do not know how the end will be, ask question. Person where don't go that road, waiting in see. Ask hope don't enter the road, he don't see something. Ask question. I don't want to be, dwelling long. I just want to tell Soludo that if any villages is being attacked by his master children, that we are coming for you, you go run away from Anambra. Thank you. At this point of the time, our great Prime Minister is on air now, so everybody should go and listen to him. Thank you very much. Please help me tell Soludo he should start him. We are here to finish him for him. At the end, Biafra is the end point. God bless all true Biafrans.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear this thing where this Biafra Liberation Army commander, they talk for inside this video. They tell Governor Soludo, say this thing way they plan to do for Anambra, I want buy some places so that Okada no go they run there, so that everything where they happen, they go fit contact them, they go find way to they capture everybody wey carry gun for inside Anambra state. Now Biafra Liberation Army, you don't hear wetin talk for this video, my people. May you tell me your own opinion. Wetin you think? Do you think wetin Soludo talk na be the best thing for Anambra, or you think wetin Biafra Liberation Army dey talk na still be best way for Anambra? May you let me know for inside comment section. But the things we want tell all these governors wey dey for Southeast now, I don't talk am many times, many times. Other people don't talk am. The only thing wey fit bring peace for Ali Igbo na one thing: release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because a lot of people today are confused. They don't even know who to listen to again, where to go. Most of them totally now is on neutral ground. They are not following anybody. So the only solution to this thing is release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come outside, I believe that some things that is not going to be in place anymore. I believe that some things that is not going to happen anymore. The what we'll be saying that time now is how we are going to get do our referendum, how we are going to stay in our own country. I believe most of us know the truth. Even some village itself will be angry with the governor. This now can bring enmity between villages. It will come bring katakata for inside villages. For most of us, we don't know what Soludo talk. Please check our video. We post the video yesterday. We started it. Soludo want to put fire in Anambra. Go and check out the video and hear what Soludo talk for inside that video. Then you watch this reply where Biafra Liberation Army give him. Then you can now know what you write as a comment. So this thing where Soludo talk, I take ban some part, say this one go happen. You know say na fire one put for your own state, because these people go to feel so now then come be the bad people, I be waiting can happen. So they should look into this matter and know how they will take solve them. But the only solution is releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, share this video and we go see you for the next update as it dey hot.